IVR, interactive voice response, 24-hour IVR phone support in 4 languages. Select the preferred language and the client will be in touch with one of our operators right away. The passenger will have to provide a few quick details such as name, location, and a brief description of the issue at hand. A member of the support team will then get in touch shortly to offer assistance. LAT mobile application, a guest travel app available on Google and Apple stores, providing real-time updates on travel itineraries. Tickets, vouchers, and other relevant documents are available for download directly from the app. To begin, select the preferred language, enter name, arrival date, and country of destination, or alternatively use the booking reference provided at the time of services to access the itinerary. At the bottom of the screen, clients can view their full travel program, including hotel details, transfer pickup times, and excursions, keeping your clients up to date right at their fingertips. Real-time service confirmations through our online booking platform, accessible to all accredited professionals. The LAT online booking platform can be accessed directly from the website via the Agent Login button. Once logged in with your credentials, you can instantly book several services, hotel accommodations, transfers, excursions, and tours, with immediate confirmation and no waiting time. Click on the service you wish to book and add it to your cart. Once all selected services are in your cart, you can proceed smoothly to payment unless your good establishment had been granted a credit line. Vouchers are then issued and readied for download. The platform also provides direct access to LAT's tariff and catalog, special offers, and news.